I hope you are all prepared for what I'm about to tell you. Uncharted 4: A Thief's End has been delayed. Please say it ain't so, Drake. Indeed, directors Bruce Straley and Neil Druckmann have come to the conclusion that Uncharted 4 is much more ambitious than they originally envisioned, and in order to meet the high standards we've all come to expect from Naughty Dog, we'll have to wait a little longer into spring 2016. Yes, it's a long wait, but for you, Drake, I'd wait a lifetime. In all our excitement to play GTA Online's Heist DLC, there just had to be something to keep us waiting longer. Its release yesterday experienced a few bumps in the road as players had issues connecting as well as problems with the Xbox Live service. Xbox 360, Xbox One, PS3, and PS4 users were all affected for a total of 24 hours, but Rockstar has since fixed the issues, thank the digital heavens. GTA Online and Rockstar Social Club should all be in full working order. Leave a comment below on your experience so far. There are some really big money savings to be had with this week's deals. It's Deals of the Week. The Best Buy Gamers Club just got a little sweeter. Get a membership for just $30 for 2 years and save a ton on video games year-round. 20% off all new games, 10% off used games, and 10% when you sell your games. Groupon is offering the PS4 bundle up with 2013's Game of the Year winner, The Last of Us Remastered, for just $360. Just use the code TAXHACK10 to get $40 off. GameStop has a new Xbox One bundle up for grabs, and it's for Halo the Master Chief Collection and 3 months of Xbox Live, just $350 a pop. The NVIDIA Shield 32GB 4G LTE tablet starts at $300 on Amazon and comes with a controller and cover for absolutely $0. Dying Light, the exhilarating survival horror title from developer Techland, and with an 8.5 score on IGN, is only $50 for PS4 and Xbox One, $40 on PC. And it's GTA Christmas, as previous installments are on the cheap for PC. Get the classics like GTA 4 for only $6 and Grand Theft Auto Vice City for a whopping $2. Deals like these are as rare as finding a white peacock. And that's your Daily Fix for March 11th. I'm Naomi Kyle, and remember to get your fix anytime online at IGN.